Hello! If we haven't met before, I'm Kerr. Welcome to my art studio. This short video is just to let you know that I've uploaded my next class to Skillshare. If you don't belong to Skillshare, then use the little link that I've put in the description below and you can watch this video free of charge. And you can also share the link with your friends. So here's the little trailer for the class that I've just uploaded. Hello, I'm Kerr. I'm a professional artist and a teacher from England. So, welcome to my art studio. People often say to me that their watercolours are becoming too detailed and too fussy, and how can they loosen up their style of painting? Well, in this class, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And I'm going to do it just by changing the brush that you use. We're going to use one of these rather large but very exciting brushes, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. In fact, these paintings have been done almost exclusively with this big brush. I rarely do a watercolour painting these days without picking up this brush at least once. Big skies and vivid sunsets are so easily painted with just a few strokes of this amazing brush. This brush is so versatile. You can cover large areas quickly and easily, and so keep your painting looking fresh and not overworked. Putting in additional details with a very sharp edge is incredibly easy. It's quite amazing how you will also cope with the soft texture lines and impressionistic marks. If we haven't met before, I've been teaching for probably over 40 years now. I've run many painting workshops and holidays in some of the most beautiful parts of the world. I've held private exhibitions in several countries and had fun demonstrating at art shows and trade shows. I've taught hundreds of students both in my home studio and at various art clubs. I've written and published several e-books on painting animals in pastel and taken part in radio broadcasts to outreach students worldwide. I'm a regular contributor to painting magazines and journals. In this class, I will show you the incredible amount of water that this brush will hold. I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to control the water in the brush and how to get a beautifully sharp chiseled edge on the bristles. You will learn how to paint textural marks and how to paint with two colours at the same time. You will also learn how to produce very different, intricate marks by just using the corner of the brush. I'll also introduce you to two books that will be most useful as a resource for future reference. This class is especially useful for beginners, but it's also useful for people who are becoming a little bit frustrated because their watercolour paintings are becoming too detailed and too fussy. Believe me, you can't get detailed and fussy with one of these. My aim for this class is to help you to master one of these so that you can loosen up your watercolours. And when you have got used to using it, I'm sure it'll become your very best friend and you'll be reaching for it all the time. Your project for this class is to produce your own little landscape vignette using some or all of the skills that you've learned in this class. I'll provide you with these 4 little vignettes that you can download, and you can use them to practice before you commit to doing your own little painting. So always remember the motto that I put in my videos, and my motto is, there's an artist in everyone. So come with me on an exciting journey and let's get started. Are you ready? As I mentioned at the beginning, I've put a link in the description below, so if you don't belong to Skillshare, you can still use this link and go and watch the class free of charge. And you can also share the link with your friends. I hope to see you on Skillshare, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye for now.